What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove the background noise of videos using CapCut. First, open CapCut and load the video or audio clip you want to edit. If you are trying to remove the background noise from a video clip, you need to separate the audio from the video. To do this, tap on the video clip in your timeline and scroll along the bottom options until you find Extract Audio. Tap on this and you'll see a message saying audio has been extracted. Now, you see the audio track separated at the bottom of your screen. Next, tap on the audio track you just extracted. Scroll through the options at the bottom until you find Reduce Noise. Tap on Reduce Noise and then toggle the switch to turn on Noise Reduction. This process will reduce any background noise, such as hissing or other repetitive sounds that might be affecting your audio quality. Once the noise reduction process is complete, tap on the check mark to save your changes. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can easily undo the noise reduction. Tap on the audio track again, go back to Reduce Noise, toggle the switch off, and then tap on the check mark to revert the changes. This method works for any audio track in CapCut, whether it's from a video clip, a voiceover, or any other sound file. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.